Some of the chats may be more important than others, and if I were to go around onto all chats, there are many chats as you can see right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to keep this particular chat over here on the top. In that case, what you can do is you can click on this button right here to pin the chat to the top, and it pins right to the top as you can see right here. Similarly, you can also click on the three dot button and choose pin to the top right here, and you can replace the chat right here. So one important chat that you may have, you can go ahead and pin it, and then it pins out to the top right here. But it replaces out the other pin chat, and the number of chats that you can have pin is only one as per now. If I were to go around onto the three dot button, and if I want to unpin the chat, simply click on unpin from top and the chat gets unpinned just like that. And that is how you can pin and unpin chats inside of Kimi. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.